Hello everybody. Like I always say, namaskara everyone. Andariki namaskaram, ellargu swagatam and a very warm vanakkam to Rankplus JEE English. I hope that you all are doing good and I am your educator, Nabamita Ma'am. So, you know what happens whenever you are preparing for your JEE mains, JEE Advanced of course, but when you are preparing for your JEE mains, I have seen that 90% of the students, they do make some mistakes. And today I want to tell you about those 3 mistakes because there is still time. You still have those 2 months or 60 days in which you can do the utmost amount of preparation, which can actually take you from an average student and make you a topper. So my today's session is going to be about these 3 mistakes. Of course, there are a lot of mistakes that you must have seen and a lot of mistakes that a lot of students, even your friends who are around you, they also make. But I have taken 3 mistakes that can actually cost you your whole 1 year in JEE mains and it can make you a dropper. Now, some of you, the moment you have heard this sentence, you might think that, ma'am, is being a dropper a bad thing? No, not at all. But you know what happens is you have that dream, you have that passion and you want to get into an IIT or you want to get into an NIT as soon as possible, isn't it? Because you want to fast forward your career, you want to get where you want to faster. This is why I am here to explain these 3 mistakes. And if you stay till the end, I will tell you 2 more mistakes. But you will have to sit till the end and you will have to like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel because we are a new channel that is your Rankplus JEE English. And very soon you will also see your physics teacher and your mathematics teacher taking classes here. Okay. All right, guys. So without much further ado, let us start with our session. Number 1. Everybody, what you do is you ignore NCERT. Some of the students, what I've seen is you think that NCERT is such a basic level, it's such a, kids books. And you are thinking that I will dive directly into the reference book and my coaching materials. No, that is a wrong approach. I am telling you this, that is a wrong approach. Because the most fundamental language that is being used is this book. And you know that even for NTA, this book, this NCERT is what? This is the Bible. If it is not there in NCERT, then you can claim and you can tell them that it is out of syllabus and there is no scope that they can deny it. So the first and the foremost thing, everybody, that you need to do is you need to be thorough with this book. This is the book that can get you minimum 95 percentile. And of course, the road to 95 percentile to 99 percentile is not going to be that tough because you are already getting 95 percentile. Then all you need to do is make it even thorough and thorough and thorough. And trust me, you will get there. You get this? Yes, this is the first mistake, everyone. So make sure that even when you have watched this video from today onwards, after watching this video, you will take out your NCERT and you will go through each and every line. And especially for inorganic chemistry, you must go through your NCERT. There is nothing that can get you through inorganic chemistry unless you don't study this book. So I hope I have made this clear. Moving on from here, the next thing, everybody, is there are plenty of students who thinks that only doing concepts, if I know the concepts, I am going to clear JEE. No. Does JEE main ask you subjective type of question? Have you ever seen JEE mains asking you subjective type of question? The maximum amount of subjectiveness in the paper that you can see will be your assertion and reasoning or the numerical integer based question that you see. So there is nothing that is subjective oriented. So from where did you get this idea that only studying concept is going to get you a seat in IIT or NIT? No frigging way. So please try to understand that regular mock test, attempting test series are super important, because JEE mains, it is very important to understand that they will test your precision, accuracy, speed and your knowledge. So just cramming up your mind with endless number of concepts is not enough. You have to apply those concepts and derive the answers. You have to find the solution to the problems that they are giving you in the question paper. So regular mock tests and analysis, very important. What is your strength? What is your weakness? A comprehensive report of that you must take a look at. I hope the second mistake is clear. And now that you know, you are not going to repeat it. Even today, I'm telling you, bacha, there is time. This last 2 months, whatever you have studied, if you apply that and whatever I'm telling you today, if you just apply this, there is chance that you will get into a good college, your dream college. Apply them, please. Okay. Now let's come to the third mistake, everybody. And the third mistake is that making timetable again and again. Let me tell you, if you have made a timetable and you failed once, you have made another timetable, you failed twice. You made another timetable, you failed the third time, then that is the time when you should scratch timetable completely. And let me tell you that instead of making timetable weekly, monthly, twice a week, thrice a week, whatever, don't do that. Get your small goals, small achievable goals, okay? Small achievable goals are the way to go. Yes. Today, which chapter you are going to complete? Today, how many questions you are going to complete? Today, are you going to complete a physics chapter and a chemistry chapter, or 2 chemistry chapters, or one physics, 1 chemistry and 1 mathematics? What is it that you're going to do today? That is what makes this journey more beneficial. So do not make any more timetables. I have given you a timetable for the next 2 months. And now what you have to do is you have to have your daily challenges, and that is how you're going to get into your dream college. Now that I have told you 3 mistakes, let me tell you 2 more, everybody. Let me tell you 2 more. The next one is, the next mistake that I have seen many students make, everybody, is, you know what? Not making an error list. Some of the students, you do sit for your mock test. You do give regular test series also. You are doing everything. You are following the assignments. You are following the comprehensive reports. But one thing that you do not do is you do not make an error list. Therefore, what happens is you keep repeating the same mistake again and again and again. So have a tiny book or a tiny booklet and start making the errors that you are, start noting down the errors that you are making in the tests or you are making while you are solving problems. This is going to make your journey, make your preparation so much easier. You know what I'll tell you? Follow this for 1 day. Follow this for 1 day. Yes, the second day, try solving similar type of questions. You come back to me on the 3rd day and please comment below this video and tell me, did it help or not? It's my guarantee, it's my challenge that yes, it will help you. Yes, it will help you. It will. And the 5th error, the 5th mistake that you will make today will be starting a new book. Starting a new reference book. Today, you do not have to buy any more books. Only thing that you should invest right now is test series. The ship has sailed. That time is gone when you had to buy books. Only 2 months, 60 days are left. In that 60 days, the only thing that you can do is just appear for test, and that to time the test. You have to simulate the environment that is going to be there in the JEE exam hall. And that is what is going to prepare you for the exam. So with this note, I'm not going to take more time from you. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope that you will follow this. Do not make these mistakes, and you will come back and tell me that, yes, ma'am, this video helped. Please write it down in the comment section. And like I told you, this is our new channel, Rankplus JEE English. Don't forget to subscribe it, share it with your friend if you think that this was beneficial for you. Tara, bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Bye.